Hello everybody, welcome to NEET Physics by our video channel. In today's video, we are going to solve an MCQ in the chapter waves. Okay, the question is: let y is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square at t is equal to 0 seconds. Be the amplitude of the wave, a wave propagating in the positive x direction. For the same way, at t is equal to 2 seconds, the amplitude becomes y is equal to 1 by 1 plus x minus 2 the whole square. So at t is equal to 0, you are given y, an expression for y. At t is equal to 2 seconds, you are given another expression for y, and y is the amplitude. Assume that the shape of the wave does not change during propagation. What does it mean by shape of the wave does not change? It means the shape of the wave does not change means the amplitude y remains constant in both cases. When t is equal to 0, this is y. When t is equal to 2 seconds, this is y. But the value of y is the same in both the cases. That is what you must understand from this line. The shape of the wave does not change during the propagation. Now you are asked to find the velocity of the wave. What is the velocity of the wave? As usual, you are given four options: 0.5 meter per second, 1 meter per second, 1.5 meter per second, and 2 meter per second. Okay, already told you that the shape of the wave does not change means the amplitude y remains constant in both the cases. Okay. So let us solve the problem. At t is equal to 0 seconds, let this be t1. So t1 is equal to 0 seconds. So you are asked to find the velocity of the wave. What is velocity? Distance by time. What is distance? Distance between the two positions. Distance traveled by, or this is time. Time duration gives you the velocity. Okay. So at t is equal to 0, y is equal to 1 by 1 plus x. Y is equal to 1 by 1 plus x. The whole square. Now you bring this 1 plus x square to the left hand side and this y to the right hand side. So 1 plus x the whole square is equal to 1. It means what? X square is equal to 1 by y minus 1. And when this 1 goes to this side, it will become minus, is it not? Okay. So x square is equal to 1 by y minus 1. So this is the position of the wave at t is equal to 0. So you call this position as x1. So if this is x square, then what is x? Square root of 1 by y minus 1. So x1 is equal to square root of 1 by y minus 1. So this is the value of s. We represent it by x1 because this is the position of the wave at a time t1 which is equal to 0 seconds. This is the position of the wave x1 at x, and this value is root of 1 by y minus 1. Similarly, you can write expression for x2 for the wave when t2 is equal to 2 seconds. When t is equal to 2 seconds, it is t2. t1 is 0, t2 is 2 seconds. Okay. So at t2, it is 2 seconds. Y is equal. In the question, it has been given as 1 by 1 plus x, x minus 2, the whole square. It is what? As usual, you put this denominator to the LHS. That is 1 plus x minus 2, the whole square. And bring this y to the other side. That is 1 by 1 plus x minus 2 the whole square is equal to 1 by y. You put this 1 to the other side. What is remaining here? X minus 2 the whole square. X minus 2 the whole square is equal to 1 by 1. Taking square root on both sides, x minus 2 is equal to the square root of 1 by y minus 1 by y minus 1. It is x. You put this 2 also to the other side. X is equal to the 2 on the bottom plus 2y. 2 plus square root of 1 by y minus 1. So finally, this is value. Let it be x2. So x2 is equal to x is equal to 2 plus 5. So now we have found the positions of the wave x1 and x2 at the time t1 is equal to 0 and it is equal to 1 seconds. X1 is the position of the wave when t is equal to t1 is equal to 0 seconds. X2 is the position of the wave when t is equal to t2 is equal to 2 seconds. Now we can easily find the velocity of sound. Velocity of sound is equal to change in distance. What is change in distance? Change in position. X2 minus x1. What is change in time? T2 minus t1. What is T2? 2 seconds. What is T1? 0 seconds. So T2 minus T1 is equal to 2. Time table 2 minus 0 is equal to 2 seconds. So this way. What is change in position? X2 minus x1. So V is equal to 2. This is x2. 2 plus square root of 1 by y minus 1. Minus what is x1 in the previous slide? We have found that root of 1 by y minus 1. So root of 1 by y minus 1 minus root of 1 by y minus 1. That is equal to what? Only this 2 is remaining. So 2 divided by t2 minus 2. That is another 2. So what is 2 by 2? So velocity is equal to 2 by 2. That is equal to 1. So 1.0 meter per second is the velocity of the wave. So option B is the right answer. Of course, this is a lengthy problem, but you can solve it easily, okay, by remembering these things. Okay, so so far we have seen 7 multiple choice questions in this chapter. So we will see one more question from some other chapter in the next video. If necessary, we will solve more problems in this chapter at a later stage. Till then, thank you one and all. Thank you.